condition between choosing both of them. It was my dream to go in air hostess field, but my parents are not happy regarding to this field. My parents will happy for the nursing field, so that's why I come in nursing field. But my brothers tell me that you still have the option to go in the air hostess field, because in crew members there is some member related to the medical field. So I think I listen to my parents and obey my parents, so that's why I'm lucky. I still have the option to go with my dream. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Salim from Tharparkar. When I pass metric class, I have choose two options. One is pre-medical and other is pre-engineering. I am interested in pre-engineering because my math is very good and high level. And also, I think I should serve as a MNT in my area, because take as a medical, I should serve as a MNT. But today I regret that I should choose as engineering, because I love the math. I give the time to math as a 12 or 14 hours. I love the math, but is my regret as happy to serve as a MNT.
I was studying at Quran Institute Latifabad, and I am also working at a hospital as an OT and nursery technician. So at that time I have to make a decision: doing job with study or doing just leave the job. My family helped me and I leave the job. I focus on the study and understand what Allah wants to say to me. I understand, I learned the basics of madrasa, and the impact of this decision make my life, because at that time I am studying madrasa because I know the basics of madrasa. I already know the basics of nursing, that's why I'm doing nursing, and I'm also working with that with these two studying. This one decision make my life that I can do three things at one time right now.
Good morning everyone. My name is Christopher Kalim. During 2017, I was in inter class, and now that's what time that I will choose my field, which will be medical or pre-engineering. But by family choice, yeah, like favor, I will choose pre-engineering. And then after 2018, I am selected in technical course in private institute, and after that I have no any part-time work or no any future scene. I regret this point. In anesthesia technician, and I had work in ICU for 2 years, and that's why I'm doing now BSN, and I have a proper job, and I will earn 50 to 60,000 per month, and this is my I am happy for that.
I had to make an important decision for my future. I had two options in my life to become a doctor, but I chose nursing as a profession just because my father wanted, and I respected his decision. And
my name is Namali. I am from district Khairpur Vilas. When I'm in 9th, we are studying biology. That's a Shivan or Shivan. I think everyone know about it. That we are best friends. My best friend name is Imran. That we sit together and we decide that we want to be a zoologist or botanist. Then I decide I want to be a zoologist and also doing a PhD in zoology. But when we clear the metric, that we decide to go away from further study to in a Larkana Zavis College. But then when I go there for the admission, that he cannot combine with me, and I talk with the administration for the admission. When I back, that I tell my friend that we go there for the further study, but he tell me that no, I do not want to do further study. For that reason, I leave my zoology department and I cannot. This it is my regret that until now feel why I leave my choice for an other person. Then and also I'm not interested in MBBS. Then for that and also I'm not so I can hear for MBBS. And I also very shameful why I leave my choice for others.
The first thing that I have to choose English department, and another I have to choose another choice that I have BSN in Bachelor of Nursing. I choose BSN just because I thought I can learn English in BSN, and I know that I can't learn BSN in English. That's why I choose nursing, and I'm getting very good knowledge in BSN. Like in medical field and also in English fields and also in other kind of fields. That's why I choose BSN. And I know I can learn more medical things, more medical terms in English. That's why I'm feeling very good.
My name is Fiza, and I draw this possible outcomes and two paths. This is one path is a forensic and second path is a BSN. I was complete in intermediate in 2022, and I will test and selected in forensic in Lumps University, and this is not possible for me because I am not interested in this. My family said you will go BSN generic because my sister is a completed BSN and she is a nurse, and I will test in BSN Global Institute, and I am selected in this institute, and I am happy so because this decision is my parents, so I am very good. After I did intermediate for graduation, I had to choose degree, and my interest was in MBBS, but I unfortunately couldn't do it, so I had to choose something else. I had two choices. First was I had to choose degrees like English or biology, and second was to choose nursing, and I chose nursing, and I'm satisfied after choosing nursing that I'm still in medical field.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdul Qudus. I got admission in DPT at LUMS, but my parents was not satisfied at that time, and they said just choose a BS nursing because at that time I was sad because I want to see the environment at LUMS and the environment of universities, but now I am happy and choose the BS nursing, and one day I will fulfill my parent dream, inshallah.
I'm Ghani from district Datu, and good morning to all of you. I cleared my intermediate in 2021. After clear, I wasted my 2 years for a wrong decision. Then my parents said to me, please continue your study journey, and I am here to in nursing field at Global Institute of Nursing. Wow.
When I passed the nursing test, so I have to choose whether to live in hostel or whether to do outbreak. So I choose outbreak because I am the elder children. I am doing outbreak, so I am doing outbreak, and now I am happy that I choose outbreak, and I am fulfilling my responsibilities.
First in the agriculture tests, I am selected in DVM, but I am not happy in DVM field, and I am the first attempts and abdicates can be not selected, but I am improved. But my big brothers not happy, and we want to you use choice in nuts, and I am not happy, but then selected is ऐसे ग्लोबल इंस्टीट्यूट्स में and I am here.
My name is Muzammil Aman from district Nosar Afroz. First of all, my choice is MDK test. During the matric, I come here in Hyderabad in 2020 for preparing the MDK test. After that, my choice is did the MDK test. Our environment after that passed the MDK test in 149 score in first.
Job University for entry test and I cleared it. And I tell to my family that I cleared Job University entry test for BA Computer Science. And after that, my elder sister told me to do nursing. And after that, I come to nursing field and clear the test, and I am doing nursing.
Kumar from Mr. Tharpar. I done my intern in 2017, but I waste my 3 to 4 years in everything. But took it 23. My brother said, give me 2 paths. One path go to out of country and take job. Second, you continue to study. Then you decide your homework, your life. Okay. Now I am done my BS nursing student. But with this, I also run my 2 Shopify stores. One is dropshipping Pakistan, second UAE market, and I am now independent.
Wow, that's good. Shopify. Sounds good.
My choice is BBA, Bachelor in Business in IP Sakhar University. I selected, but my father said to me, Mr. Yasli is not your choice, but me say, okay. He said, you go and BSN generic or you will become doctor or nurse. Today I am study here at the Global Institute.
It's me, Ikramni. I am from Shadapur. When I am in Islamabad, I came to know that I got admission in nursing. So that's why my another test in CMC Larkana was cancelled for some reason. So that's why I came here. Somewhere I am happy for this decision. Basically, this is my father's decision.
Wow.
I am Rajesh. I am from district Matiari. Once upon a time I have made decision in MBBS in army side. Then I gave test and I can't pass the test. After I choose nursing.
Assalamualaikum. I am Roj from Sambar, and good afternoon. After inter, I have applied for the MBBS, and I tried to attempt. That's I can't get the seat. Therefore, I have 2 choices of department. That's one is D pharmacy, and second is my BS nursing. Actually, D pharmacy is choice of my father because my father is shopkeeper of medical store. Therefore, my father is want to get certificate of license. Therefore, so after that, I am trying to research the nursing and its skills and its salary. So therefore, I applied MBA LUMS, but there I can't get this seat. So after that, I applied in global on self, and I am studying today.